Next! Oh.
And I'll be returning that also.
Let me guess. The tag's still on it.
All sales are final!
Oh, no, the tag.
A E I O.
There is a 5-year gap on my resume for when I went to prison for breaking into the ocean. Oh my god, you got a smudge on your glasses. But I'm out now. By the way, what's your guys' health insurance like? Because at my last place, I fell down the stairwell rubbing one out during my lunch, and my boss said, and I quote, "I'm gonna throw you in the ocean." And I said, "Sir, I cannot go back in there. I'm legally not allowed in a body of water."
Oh, this is a cough. Oh, this is a fee.
I don't even know her. I don't know.
Coffee.
Don't leave me! Don't leave me! Don't leave me! No.
Okay, guys. Zach's gonna teach me how to box today.
Yes, ma'am. I'm gonna show her a quick little combo that I learned back in high school. You know what I'm saying? No big deal.
No big deal.
So this is how it goes. So you put your hands up. It's gonna go 1, 2, hook.
Huh?
All right. So
One more.
1, 2, hook.
All right, I got it.
You got it. It's your first time. I know you're gonna be nervous, but you got it. Easy.
All right, ready?
All right, go.
2.
Is that really real? Day 7. How much weight do you think this egg can hold?
Nothing.
What have you done? Yeah, I think I'll hold this time. How much weight do you think this can hold?
Keep the egg upright.
2 kg.
1.25 kgs. Oh my, how?
Another 2 kg.
How? Oh my gosh, 1.5 kgs.
2.5 kgs.
How's it not breaking? 1.5 kgs. Oh my, 2 kgs.
This is the last one.
Oh.
We know, Beluga.
That was 14.75 kgs before the egg broke. Can you believe it?
Hi, can I just get a medium fry?
Just one medium fry?
Yeah. Potato, decoy bag.
Medium fry.
Yes. Could I get extra napkins, please? Wait, I ordered a medium fry.
Okay. One sec. Alright, so this didn't come from here because there's no way that comes. They come in a bag and I put them in the fryer.
Well,
So this didn't come from here.
we're just messing with y'all.
Huh?
We're just messing with y'all. Have a good one. She was so mad at us. I'm sorry, I was just trying to make you laugh.
Okay, so I don't know how to get rid of this. I brought it to my room, and now I won't leave. Look, I found me Tyrannosaurus. I bought it. Ah! Ah! Hey, stop! Ah! He's attacking me. Good, Bertie. Good. Ah! Did we just make out? Maverick, is that you? Logan Paul shook. Oh no, I saw it. Ah! You better stop attacking me, you little Tyrannosaurus. I'm not gonna lie to you. You're kind of cute. Hey, dude, what's up? Oh, what are you doing? I love me Tyrannosaurus. Come back.
Hey, is it cool if we bring my friend Harley with us?
Yeah, of course you can bring your friend. I've never met your friends before. This is gonna be fun.
Yo, hey guys, what's up? Hey bro, what's up? Yeah bro, just hop in the back. Yeah, for sure bro, thank you. And you must be Josh's girlfriend. Wow, you are beautiful, let me tell you.
Oh my gosh, thank you so much. Nice to meet you.
It is a blessing to meet you too.
Oh my gosh, you're such a gentleman, Josh. You never told me about Harley.
Nah, I haven't. I should have brought him around sooner.
And you smell amazing too. Is this Ocean Prime from Victoria's Secret? Oh my gosh, it is! Harley, wow!
Yeah, wow, dang, Harley, you're such a gentleman, man.
Whoa, man, you look a little stressed. What's the matter?
Yeah, Josh, what's the matter?
Nothing at all. I'm just so excited for this dinner that we're gonna go to.
Spencer, can you stop? Spencer, can you stop?
Okay.
Oh!
All right, take a picture with me before you leave.
We just took all these
Bro, come on, take a picture.
Oh, hell no! You better not.
Hold on. Hold on, what is that? What is that?
So I'm trying to watch a movie on my laptop right now, but it's literally frozen. And so I try to put on the TV, but it's frozen too. Unbelievable.
How you get the mattress in here?
Junior, can you get the corner for me? Please get the corner. Can you stop pulling? Oh, this guy, can you get the side for me? Oh, this guy yourself, can you see me trying to...
Hey Penny, you know what a dog sounds like? Yep. I don't sound like that at all. Oh yeah? You sound stupid. No, I don't.
Alright, Dad, there's this new trend. I'm gonna grab this water floaty, put water in here. You're gonna blow on this side, and I'm gonna blow on this side, and whoever can get the water to spray the other person first wins, okay?
Okay, let's do it.
Right,
Let's do it. Let's go.
Oh my God! Octave thought it would be a good idea to do my makeup, and fellas, would you?
Hey guys, this video is brought to you by Raycon. They make these amazing wireless earbuds. Unlike some of your other wireless options, the new Raycon Everyday E25s are stylish, they're discreet, they got no dangling wires or stems. It's really great for video chats. Is anyone else getting on this call?
They're fantastic at home when you don't want to bother anyone. And they have a more compact design for a nice noise isolation when you don't want anyone to be bothering you.
And they have 6 hours of playtime and seamless Bluetooth pairing when you need a little break outside.
Or a long break, really.
So go click that link in the description and get 15% off your order. Buyraycon.com/cooltt. That's 15% off. Trust me, it's worth it.
Boots and cats. Boots and cats.
Hey Ethan.
Yeah.
Can you do Chris Rock again?
Oh, you mean like this? The circus, Afro circus, Afro circus, Afro. Poke it up, Afro. You mean like that?
Yes.
That page of beatbox talents.
Okay.
I'm sorry, sir. He's been in the coma for 9 days now. I'm afraid we're out of options. I'm sorry. Wait a second. Sir! Don't do the thermostat!
Oh my.
One day of beatboxing.
1 month of beatboxing.
1 year of beatboxing.
100 years of beatboxing. Boots and cats and boots and cats. Oh.
Alright, boys. Stop. Dude. Stop. Oh.
Brent. Stop. Brent.
Don't, Brent.
Good morning. It's cold in your house. I wish I had one of those right now. Oh, I can go in? You should have told me. Oh, sorry. I'm sorry. How do you eat these though? Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. I'm scared.
What are you doing? Nothing. I'm just
Waiting for dinner. When's it gonna be ready?
Ah, what's up, little guy?
I may be little, but at least my parents aren't a force.
Oh.
Oh!
What? That's what you get in my voice.
Uh-huh. Come here.